Welcome to my MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. I invite you to subscribe and share videos. In this episode, one will talk about the Chrysler 6.1 V8 Hemi engine. So to the point, Chrysler 6.1 V8 16V Hemi engine, 8 cylinders and 16 valves. Injection type, multi-point. Timing chain, engine oil capacity, 6.6 liters. Oil type, Mopar 5W40. Change after 20,000 kilometers or 10,000 miles or 12 months. Service inspection every 1 year. Works well with LPG gas installation. Average engine fuel consumption from 10 liters per 100 kilometers to 22 liters per 100 kilometers is about 12 miles per gallon to 22 miles per gallon. Advantages: durable design, low failure rate, high work culture, very good dynamics, good cooperation with LPG gas installation. Disadvantages: high service and parts costs, high fuel consumption. The Chrysler 6.1 V8 16V Hemi engine is another design from the Hemi family after the 5.7L version, which was used in Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep cars. Unlike the weaker version, the engine has been modified in order to obtain a larger capacity and higher power. The unit differs from the 5.7 Hemi design primarily in the engine block, in which the liquid cooling system has been changed. Additionally, lighter pistons were used, the connecting rods were reinforced to increase their strength, and the crankshaft is forged, and the intake manifold was cast from aluminum. These and many other modifications contributed to the increase in capacity and power, which resulted in much better parameters of the unit. Unlike the 5.7 Hemi VCD version, variable valve timing was not used. Users praised the unit for its very good performance, high work culture, and excellent dynamics. To sum up, the 6.1 Hemi engine is very good for longer trips, less suitable for the city due to high fuel consumption. Thank you for watching the film podcast, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode.